Hello everyone, welcome to day 12 of our CapCut editing series. I'm super excited to be here today. So we are on, I can't believe it, day 12 already. Oh my god, I hope you are enjoying this CapCut editing series. If you are enjoying it, let me know in the comment section. And if you have not watched this series, you know that they are from day one. It's a CapCut, how you can edit your video. So we have already done up to day 11. This is where you can learn your editing, and then don't forget that this is a beginner friendly editing series. Okay, so if you know you are pro, maybe it's not for you, but for those my viewers, my followers that really want to enhance the video, this is what it's for. So I'm bringing in different one, and it's a short video that I'm doing it so that I can be able to understand it little by little. So today we are going to do a how to reverse in CapCut. You know those reverse that you are seeing on the screen? Yes, that's what we are going to do today. So without wasting much of our time, let's get right into it. And you can see, Merry Christmas in advance. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. You are welcome to my phone. So we go in directly into CapCut, as you know. So here we are in my phone, and I'm going to bring in the project immediately, what we are going to use. Okay, so this is the video that we are going to use. As you can see, this video, they are doing what they are jumping inside a water, and it wants to do the reverse fashion of it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this video first. So you scroll down, you know what how to do it. You tap on the video. Once you tap on the video, we'll scroll down and look for duplicate. You see it, they put them together. You can see it down here. This is duplicate. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see that we already have two of it already. So this is the one that we are going to use as a reverse. Okay, so you can see, let's use this. So go to duplicate it one more again, into two again, another one, duplication. So I give it 3 duplications. So this middle one is the one that we are going to use for reverse. So that's what you're going to do. You can decide to cut part of that video also as a reverse, maybe where they wants to jump. We will still do that. So but first of all, let's learn it now. Let's learn the full one now first. So what you're going to do is you will tap on that video that you want to reverse. So once you tap on that video, you will now go and look. Easy to do. It's not even something that is difficult at all. Just tap on it and go and look for reverse. So drag down here. Now look for looking for reverse. As you can see, this is reverse. So you tap on it. You wait for it to do its thing. So it has reversed already. So what you are going to do is you go back and play the video. Can you see? I'm telling you, I'm bringing it simple and live and direct for you guys. Because you are my followers, and I believe you deserve more. You deserve more. So that's why I'm bringing you this. So as I said, that we are still going to do maybe in the middle. Okay, so let's try another one. So this one, you have seen the way it is. So you can see they jump in. This one is the last one. Okay, so we are going back again, and then we are going to do another part, okay, where it will just be in the middle. Okay, so what we are going to do is I'm going to delete these 2 parts. Then I'm coming here. I want to make it where they're about to jump inside the water. Before that, let's see here. So I'm going to split this place. Then where they're about to jump, before they enter like this, yeah, I'm going to split it again. So in this middle, I'm going to now duplicate it. That is what I'm going to do now. So I'll duplicate it the same way I duplicated the other one. So I'm going to duplicate it into 2 as well. 1, 2. So you duplicate it into 2. Once that means you have the same clip in 3 places. So once you have the same clip in 3 places, what you are going to do is you are going to work with the middle one, the one that is at the middle of that 3 places. So you tap at that middle. Okay, once you tap at that middle, the only thing is just go and look for reverse. You can do it with anything. So I'm looking for reverse again. It's down here. You can see it here. That is, it's like C with play button. It's like C with play button. That is the logo of reserve. Then you tap on it. You allow it to do the reserve. It will do it by itself. Then we now go back and play the video. And voila. That is how simple it is to do it. So let's do one more. Let me bring in another video. So you can see this video. Let's play the video first. You see, but you want to do this reverse also. Okay, what we'll do is, first of all, do complete one. We'll go and look for duplicate. 1, 2, you duplicate it into 3. I've also said it. Always duplicate it into 3. Then you work with the middle one. So the middle one, just add reverse to it. So you can see reverse. Allow it to do its own magic by itself. Then the next thing is just play it directly by yourself. So simple. So simple to do. So we can do the shorter part as well. So that shorter part will make sure it will be where the person is. Okay, let that person leave the place. You tap on it, you split it, let the person come back again. Maybe where it was jumping like that, you cut it, and this place you duplicate it into 3. That's why I purposely do 2 for us, so that it will be easy for us to remember. So once you duplicate it into 3, then we have the middle one. Then we'll go back like this, and do the reverse. Okay, so we want to put the reverse now. Look for reverse. It's always down here. So okay, so you can now play the video. If you don't mind, just to make it more effective, that reverse place, which is this middle, you can add slow motions to it. Then you go to speed to add slow motions to it. Speed normal, just reduce it, reduce it. Okay, reduce it to 0.2. So if you play it again now, you see when it's coming back, you see that slow motion. You see that slow motion to jump. You see, you can add fast motions to it. So that is just the simple way to do reverse. So it is so easy to follow. It's not hard at all. This reverse is not hard at all to do. So I hope you have learned something. Okay, so we have come to the end of day 12 now. So our daily challenge, don't forget now. I won't forget that, because I want you to learn. And you learn by doing things. If you don't do something, you just watch it and you will not learn it. You will think you have known it. No, you have to practice it. And that is why that word said practice make perfect. Okay, so you need to practice it. That is why I'm giving us daily challenge as well. You can go, it might be your video. You can go to Pixel. I used to say pixel.com. That's where I get this video from. Also go there, take a picture that has motion. Maybe somebody is walking, anything, any motion, maybe the car is going. Take it, any video there, and then download it to your phone and go to CapCut and try this out. You might not post it. Okay, you might not post it. Okay, so just download it, try this effect. That is when you will know that yes, I've known this one. And if you still want to come back, this video is live. It's going to be live on YouTube. Then you can still come back and learn it. So we learn by doing. Okay, it's not, we don't learn by seeing, we learn by doing. That is when it's going to stick to our head. Okay, so my name remains Gani, and this is Grow With Ganny. Watch the next video that you're going to see on your screen, because it's going to add more flavor also to your editing. See you in day 13. Bye.